Welcome to all. Now I am tell about Pythagoras theorem, class 10. The Pythagorean theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, the longest side, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is represented by the formula a square plus b square equal to c square, where c is the hypotenuse and a and b are the other two sides. Proof of the Pythagorean theorem. While various proofs exist, a common one involves using similar triangles. Number 1. Setup. Consider a right-angled triangle ABC with a right angle at B. Let A be equal to C, BC equal to A and AC equal to B, where AC is the hypotenuse. Number 2. Construct perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular line BD from point B to the line AC. This divide the triangle into two smaller triangles ABD and BDC. Number 3. Prove similarity. Triangles ABC, ABD and BDC are similar. Number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. With examples, I will given this video. You see it, and then next I will tell about. In summary, the Pythagorean theorem is a fundamental concept in geometry that relates the sides of a right angle triangle, allowing us to calculate the length of any side if or know the lengths of the other two. Thank you.